Once upon a time, there was a god who had 7 kids. She loved to read all the love of a mother for her children. One day she wanted to go into the forest and fetch some food.
Dear children, I have to go to the forest. Be on your guard against the wolf. If he comes in, he will eat you all. Skin, hair, and everything. You will know the wolf at once by his strong voice and his black paws.
Dear mother, don't worry.
We will take good care of you, you can relax.
Yes, Mom, everything will be okay.
Mom, we can go without any excitement. Bring carrots for us, please. I am too hungry. Bring milk for us. I like milk. Yummy, yummy. Goodbye, Mother. See you. Goodbye, dear.
Open the door, dear children. Oh, your mother. I have brought something back with me for each of you.
I know you are the wolf.
Your voice is rough, you don't believe you.
Will we not open the door?
You are not our mother, go away.
She has a soft little voice.
I'm your mother.
I got the cold. So, I got the cold. Now I have a sore throat, so my voice is rough.
Show us your paws.
Lay your paws against the window.
Okay, here's the.
Don't you will not open the door.
That's right. I am very kind. I will be your friend.
Our mother doesn't have paws like you. You are the wolf.
The wolf was very afraid because the god is did open the door, but the wolf was very clever and he started to think what to do the station.
It seems to me I know what to do. I have good lump of joy. If I eat it, I will have a soft voice. I shall sew white milk over my paws, or it's better to wear my clothes to have my paws white.
Who's there?
Open the door, dear children. I am your mother. I have brought something back with me for each of you.
Listen, it's our mother.
Our mother has a soft pleasant voice.
That shows you both believe.
Look, it's a mother.
She could come and did for us. Hooray!
Let us open the door. Quick now. Oh no! Run to your knees.
And please, please help us.
I'm a brave hunter. I will eat the kids. I will shoot you. Good wins the evil.
Thank you, God save my sweet kids.
This fairy tale teaches us to obey all parents, be responsible, and not to be too trustful.